Hello and welcome. Today I'm out for a walk in Reading. I'm just approaching the street where I used to work for almost 5 years. Yeah, Salmond Road. Yeah, about a year after I came to Reading to live, I used to work in a small care home in this street called Beach Gardens. We had 7 adults with learning disabilities. Yeah, I used to work here in this care home. There used to be a small care home where I worked. We had 7 adults with learning disabilities. Yeah, so I worked there for nearly 5 years. Yeah, the wind's quite strong today. I don't know if the wind's muffling out my voice. M4 motorway. It's just up the road from junction 11. Yeah, a bit of a dull day today. This is M4 motorway. Down there is junction 11 where you turn off for Reading or Basingstoke. I've been in that pub a couple of times because we used to take our service users from the care home in there. Mostly on a Sunday afternoon sometimes. Nice thatched cottage here, called the Thatch. Getting close to 3 Mile Cross now. Buttermilk Grove, that's an unusual name for a street. Must be going to miss it. I'm in 3 Mile Cross. Three Mile Cross, just outside of Reading. Walking back from 3 Mile Cross. This is the A33, like Basingstoke Road. Heading for that bridge over there, big bridge, South Reading Bridge. Yeah, this is quite a big footprint. footbridge, this is. Yeah, this is only one part of the footbridge. This is the A33 Basingstoke Road. Just one small part of the footbridge. We had a lot of rain yesterday, so I didn't go out yesterday very much. And they forecast rain again today. Came out fairly early because they forecast rain in the afternoon, so I thought I'd better get out before the rain started. That building over there was damaged by fire a few years ago. This is a bit comical because it's right next door to the fire station. Yeah, that's the building that was damaged by fire. And there's the fire station.